Guys, guess what? It's time for another Cannaley Treehouse Metroparks Village. I said that backwards. Stay vlog. Today, we're in this guy right here. Flatwood Commons is what this is called. It's gonna be the first big treehouse to your left when you come in. And we have this nice boardwalk here. It's wheelchair accessible, ADA accessible, or it makes for great wagon pulling, as Kristen's doing an amazing job of back there. It's my wife Marissa there, friend Anthony Wright Films, and Kristen,
Hello.
All the way up here. Kristen, what's your YouTube channel?
It's called Intuitive Decorating by Kristen Huber, and it's about how to realign your life vision with your living space.
It's 6-person. We have 4 people here, but only 3 of us are actually staying. Here's the kitchen. You have this really nice fridge. And here's the fridge. Plenty of space. Got the freezer. Whoops. Got a microwave right here. So this is clearly the living space area. Got a couch here, which apparently does pull out. And you can watch some movies right here, or TV, whatever you want. So this is one of the bedrooms. Yes, it does have AC. A lot of people ask, do these have AC? They do, it's right here. And you also have a great view of the outdoors. You can awkwardly watch me walk up this thing. It's cool, spiral stairs, and it's not quite tall people friendly, but it's okay. And now we're in the 2nd level bedroom, and also a great view of your neighborhood, surrounding neighborhood. And I have the fire pit here. And then you can wave to all your friends down there, your other 5 people. Okay, a few more things to show you. This is the outdoor space. We actually have a tent over here, and we have some people hammocking on that side, so that's super cool. And for the 6 people who might be staying with you, you get all these little tables to have a snack or enjoy a drink or something. This is Heavy Wheelhouse. This building is just a quick walk or drive down from the tree houses, and Heavy Beer Company here. Also Black Cat Coffee's here, so you can see everyone just kind of enjoying themselves, having a drink with some friends. There's also coffee and lattes and things like that. It's so cool. A lot of times here they'll actually have food trucks as well, parked outside, so you can help a local food truck out and get your food, come in here and eat it. Good time.